In this video, I will show you how to fix this common error. It's very simple. Just follow my steps. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I appreciate it very much. Let's get started. Well, the first step is to open a folder. Then, click on this PC. Select your disk, and here you will have to enter these two folders. In one of these two, there will be a folder called Microsoft Office. You will have to look for it between both of them and see in which one of them it is. Click on Microsoft Office. Office 16. And here, in this file, you will have to do the following. Right-click, Run as Administrator, and repeat this process 3 times. Now close the folder and try to open Microsoft Word normally. As you can see, you don't get any error messages or anything like that, so it's done. If you found the video useful, let me know in the comments and leave your like. Thanks!